Hi everyone, quilt block 5 today. I call this one the HST-Riffic, the HST being half square triangles. You'll need 4 squares measuring 7 inch by 7 inch, 2 from one fabric and 2 from a second fabric. Take a square from each fabric and place them right sides together. Pop a pin in either side. Mark a line from one corner to the other. I'm just using a standard biro here. I would normally use heat erasable pens, but you won't see this once it's all sewn up. So a 1/4 inch away from each side of that marked line. Cut straight through the marked line to separate the fabric. This will mean you've got 2 patches. You are going to press to set the seams and then press to set the seam to the darker fabric. However, I'm not pressing here. I'm going to sew them all up and then go off and press them together. So repeat that once more to create the additional 2 patches. Press the seams. Okay, place your finished patches on a flat surface and rotate them until you're happy with how they look. Not sure about that. Let's try again. Okay, that's more like it. You can turn these in any orientation you like, so you get the precise look that you want from your quilt. They are quite versatile. Now take the top two and place them right sides together. Pin it if you need to. Sew down that centre, or in this case, looking at it the right. Press the seam to the darker side again. We are going to press both seams to the darker side, so I'll stop saying that. Repeat to stitch the bottom two together. Then with the pieces laid in front of you, flip the bottom over on top of the top one. Align the centre seam carefully and pop a pin in there to keep the seams aligned. Then pin up the rest. Sew across that seam. And in this case, we're going to press the seam downwards. So I'll go and iron this, one sec. I also turned the block over and ironed it from the top. But that's basically it. Block 5 is now complete. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy sewing.